In this video, we listed the 5 best drone for kids on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XD1 Mini Drone. The XD1 XD1 Drone is a compact and portable device with a range of features that make it easy to use and enjoyable for drone enthusiasts. It boasts functions such as altitude maintenance, optical flow positioning, and stable flight, making it suitable for users of all levels. The drone's alloy structure provides durability and a stylish design. With a built-in 4K camera, users can capture high-definition aerial footage. The Wi-Fi connectivity allows for easy control via mobile apps, enabling features like autonomous flight along designated paths and real-time transmission of photos and videos. The drone also features 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, enabling multiple users to operate drones simultaneously without signal disruptions. With capabilities for various flight maneuvers, a 6-axis gyroscope for smooth control, and a range of accessories included in the package, the XD1 XD1 offers a comprehensive and enjoyable drone flying experience suitable for users aged 14 and above. Number 2. Z908 Pro MAX Drone. The product is a compact and versatile drone with various advanced features and functions. It comes with a range of configuration parameters such as remote control frequency, material composition, camera adjustment capabilities, color options, and more. The drone includes a 4K camera with both video and photo resolution specifications, along with a variety of flight modes and controls accessible through the remote control and a dedicated app. The complete package includes the drone itself, a remote control, batteries, charging accessories, spare parts, manuals, and a storage bag. With a lightweight design and user-friendly features, this drone is suitable for beginners and offers a seamless indoor and outdoor flying experience. Number 3. E88 Pro Drone. The Drone 88 HDK3 quadcopter offers high-definition aerial photography capabilities, making it ideal for capturing stunning photos and videos from the sky. This remote-controlled quadcopter is designed for kids, providing a stylish and durable toy drone that is easy to control and safe to fly. With user-friendly features and stability, it offers a joyful flying experience for young pilots. Perfect for entertainment, this drone keeps kids of all ages engaged for hours. Weighing 320 g, it boasts a 4K video resolution and a flight time of 25 minutes. The drone is equipped with features like a camera for aerial photography, operates at a frequency of 2.4 GHz, and is controlled via an app. Made by Cintiq, this camera drone from mainland China is CE certified and comes with various features like obstacle avoidance, long-range capabilities, and compatibility with different drone models. Whether showing off its impressive performance to friends or enjoying a fun flight, the Drone 88 HDK3 quadcopter is a top choice for drone enthusiasts. Number 4. Stunt Roll Drone. The remote-control tumbling drone is a compact and versatile quadcopter designed for enthusiasts aged 14 and above. Originating from mainland China, this drone features a durable plastic construction and comes in a sleek white or black color scheme. With dimensions of 16.5 by 16.5 by 4 cm and a weight of 200 g, it is lightweight and easy to carry. The quadcopter is powered by a 3.7 V 550 mAh lithium battery, providing a flight time of approximately 6 minutes with a charging time of 60 minutes via USB. Equipped with a 2.4 GHz remote control offering for channels for precise control, the drone boasts features like altitude hold mode, headless mode, one-click return function, LED light circle for night flights, and 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology. The 6-axis gyroscope ensures smooth flight and easy maneuverability. The package includes the quadcopter, remote control, battery, USB charging cable, spare fans, and instructions. Whether for indoor or outdoor use, this drone offers a fun and engaging flying experience for pilots of all skill levels. Number 5. Lenovo XS9 Drone. The Lenovo XS9 Professional Drone is a high-tech UAV equipped with advanced features for aerial photography and remote control functions. Weighing 500 g with a battery weight of 30 g and a folded size of 12 by 8 by 5.5 cm, this drone offers a compact and portable design. With a battery capacity of 3.7 V 1800 mAh, it provides a usage time of 50 minutes and a remote control distance of 9000 m, GPS version. The drone features a range of functions including obstacle avoidance, intelligent anti-shake technology, multifocal 3-shot capabilities, optical flow positioning hovering, follow me function, and more. It also comes with accessories such as a remote control, protective frame, spare blades, battery pack, charging cable, screwdriver, instructions, and a storage bag. The drone's specifications include an 8K dual camera setup, 540 degrees obstacle avoidance system, and modular battery designed for long-lasting flights. Overall, the Lenovo XS9 Professional Drone offers a comprehensive aerial photography experience with advanced features and convenient usability.